If you haven't started growing your own food yet, what's wrong with you? Get started today. One thing you can easily grow are grapes. Grapevines grow really wonderfully, and they produce their grapes, at least here in Texas, around mid to late July. They're super scrumptious, and all you have to do is go outside and pick some food. Now, if you are saying to yourself, why would I want to grow a plant that only produces a crop 1 month out of the year? Well, that's a valid question. But fortunately, when you are growing grapes, their fruit is only one of the things that you can consume. You can also eat the grape leaves. In fact, several studies indicate that grape leaves might help combat memory loss, inflammation, and fluid retention. Grape leaves are also high in antioxidants, so they help keep your body young. And there are a variety of ways to eat grape leaves. You can eat them raw in salads, or cooked, or steamed, or boiled, or used as wraps around rice or other foods. You can go online to look up all the different ways you can eat grape leaves, and you'll have plenty of ideas. So why don't you start growing your own grapes today? I'm the Green Tip Guy, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.